Okay, Motorcar Nut here today. We're going to be removing an oil pan on a 2013 BMW X3 with all-wheel drive. That means the front wheels and back wheels are driving. So this is a front wheel, the axles that go right through the oil pan. It looks like it's really tough to remove, but it won't. It's not that bad. I'm going to show you how to do it. Obviously, the pan or the splash pan underneath, the plastic pan is removed. You want to take all they're 8 millimeter. They go all the way around the perimeter. You're going to take that plastic pan down, which I have right over here. You see that one right there? Okay. And then you're going to have a brace, a steel brace that there's 18 millimeter bolt 1, 2. It's a steel brace that goes from here to this one. Where did it go? Oh, and this one. All right. And you take that off, and then you're going to be where I'm at right now. Okay. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the CV joint axles. Okay. They're not that hard to do. I have a video just on how to remove them. It's pretty fast and easy. Watch that video. Once you get those CV joints off, okay, there's going to be an electrical connector here for the oil sensor, oil level sensor. So you just take that off. Okay, and then after that, you may want to lift it a little bit, but you don't really have to. I have it lifted just a little bit. Well, right now it's not really even lifted yet. You're going to have to get all these perimeter bolts around that go here, here, all the way around. On this side, I'm going to show you how to do that. You see all of this? You don't touch all of this. This all comes off with the pan. It may look a little, overwhelming, but it's really not that bad, and there's plenty of room. All right? Stay tuned. Okay, next, you're going to want to mark the drive shaft right here. The flange and the shaft is, make sure when you take them off and put them back, you put them back exactly how you took them off, make a mark. Okay? Now, you're going to need 3 sockets. Okay. You're going to need E10. E8. And an E12. Okay? These are E12. The ones over here, you're going to have to take these out too. The bottom where the transmission is, that's the E8. E10, I mean. And then the little guys, oh boy. Over here, basically all that go all the way around are going to be the E8, okay? So let's start taking those out. Now, what I had to do with the perimeter bolts, and you're going to have on this side over here, you see how it's not straight like where the transmission is, so it's not going to just come straight down the pan. The pan has to be tilted down and then slid out because of these. See these? That's for the, there's bolts up there. Anyway, it comes around, so it's a little bit can snag over on these. Let me show you. You see what I'm saying? So it doesn't come straight down. It's going to have to come down on an angle. And you may have to lift the engine to get to the bolts on the other side. Let me show you what that looks like. And what I did is I loosened the this mount right here, the transmission mount. 1, 2, and then over here, there's 3 of them. Just so I can just slide it just a little bit and make sure that the engine is off its mounts, so it can just slide a little bit to clear the front member, the cross member. Okay, let me show you what the other side looks like. So now, this is the other side. This is the driver's side. All right, you see how everything is like on an angle, a severe angle this way. Now, in the car, before you're taking it out, I had a little bit of problem with this bolt here. There's going to be a vent here. You take the little vent off so you can get to this bolt, and there's still not enough room with a socket, and you don't want to strip it. You strip it, you have to take the engine out just to get to that bolt. I made, I had a little breaker bar with a little, I believe those are E8s, and I cracked it loose and got that loose. That one, and I believe this one is near the engine mount. So it's a little tricky to get to, but you can look in through here and you can get, you know, you can get a good idea if you take the splash shield off. All right. And yeah, there could be reasons why you're taking this off. I'm doing the timing chain on this thing, so it has to come off. But if you have it leaking or something like that, you don't have to pull the tranny out to do it. You know, it's a little extra work, but you got to think about it. It's a little extra work, and you don't have to remove the transmission. So every time you get a little mad that you can't get it out, just think that, okay, but I'm not taking the tranny out. So anyway, and that's how it comes out. All right. Any questions on this one? You just let me know. Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button, thumbs up. And I'll get back to you guys in the next video. Hope you're enjoying everything. Thank you. Bye.